In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tickets in HubSpot. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure that by the end, you feel confident in managing your tickets efficiently. First, let's get started by navigating to the HubSpot website. You'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to HubSpot's main page. Once there, you should see an option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on the login button to proceed. Once you've clicked that, you'll need to sign in to your account. If you have linked your HubSpot account with Google, there's a convenient option to sign in with Google. Simply click on Sign in with Google, and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you've associated with HubSpot. Select your account, and this will take you directly to your HubSpot dashboard. From your dashboard, you should see a section labeled CRM. It's usually towards the top of the page or in the main navigation menu. Click on CRM to access your customer relationship management tools. This is where all the magic happens. Next, look for an option labeled Tickets. You might find it nestled among other features, but it's typically easy to spot. Click on Tickets to access the ticket management section. This is where you can view existing tickets or create new ones. To create a new ticket, look for a button that says Create Ticket. It's often highlighted to make it stand out. Click on Create Ticket to initiate the process of adding a new ticket. Now let's fill in the necessary details for your ticket. Start by adding the ticket's name. This should be a clear and concise title that will help you and your team identify the ticket quickly. Next, choose the pipeline for your ticket. Pipelines help categorize your tickets and keep them organized based on stages or types. Select the appropriate pipeline that aligns with your ticket's nature. Following the pipeline selection, you'll also want to choose the ticket status. Ticket statuses could be options like open, in progress, or closed, among others, to indicate the current phase of the ticket's life cycle. With these selections made, it's time to fill in the other important details for your ticket. Consider this section an opportunity to provide any additional context or information that might be relevant, such as descriptions, contact information, or any deadlines. Once you've meticulously filled out all the necessary fields and double-checked everything, you're all set to create the ticket. Look for the Create button and click it to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully created a ticket in HubSpot, and you're well on your way to managing your tasks more efficiently. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more insightful guides.